Good morning, students. So today is the last class of this chapter. So let us start the problem. Let's go on to illustration 25. Purchase furniture worth 20,000 and tools worth 5,000. So what will be the journal entry? आपने क्या खरीदा है? Furniture. So furniture account debited, tools account debited to cash account. Next we have opened bank account with Dena Bank. तो जब आप बैंक अकाउंट खोलते हो उसमें आपको पैसे डालने पड़ते हैं. सो देर इज अ मिनिमम कैश डिपॉजिट. सो व्हाट इज गोइंग आउट ऑफ बिजनेस? मनी इज गोइंग आउट ऑफ बिजनेस. एंड हु इज द रिसीवर? बैंक अकाउंट इज द रिसीवर. सो इट इज बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कैश अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव बैंक. बैंक मतलब कैश इज सेंट टू बैंक 1 lakh rupees. So again bank account debited to cash account. Then withdrawn from bank by Ganesh for personal use. So personal use जब भी आता है it is drawings account debited to bank account. Why bank? Because उसने बैंक से पैसा लिया. Next we have withdrawn from bank. तो when we are withdrawing from bank it is cash account debited to bank account. Next, bought shares in Colgate Limited for 50,000 and brokerage paid at 2%. All the payment is made by check. तो जब भी आप शेयर्स खरीदते हो वो आपके बिजनेस के लिए क्या है? इन्वेस्टमेंट है. So it is investment account debited to bank account. Why bank? Because payment is made by check. But what will be the total amount? It is 50,000 plus 2%. So 50,000 into 2% कितना होता है? It is 1,000. So the total amount will be 50,000 plus 1,000. That is 51,000. Why 51,000? Because यहाँ पे brokerage भी है. That is at 2%. Clear? Next, purchase postage. So postage account to cash account. Paid to Ashok out of business fund for repair of Ganesh residential house. Again ये personal expense है. So drawings account to cash account. Next, paid electricity bill and miscellaneous expenses. So electricity bill account debited, miscellaneous account debited to cash account. Next, salaries unpaid and rent due to landlord. Salaries unpaid is nothing but outstanding salary. So salaries account debited to outstanding salaries account 50,000. Rent due भी outstanding rent है. So rent account debited to outstanding rent account. Next, provide interest on capital 2 lakh at 8% from 1st April to 31st March. तो 8 lakh का 8%. So it is 2 lakh into 8 by 100. That is 16,000. So 16,000 debit, 16,000 credit. बहुत बार क्या होता है, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल या तो क्वार्टरली देते हैं या 6 महीने का देंगे. सो इन दैट केस यू हैव टू राइट नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स एज वेल. ओके, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल 6 महीने के लिए दिया था इसमें, सो इट विल बी 2 lakh इंटू 8 by 100 इंटू 6 by 12. वाई 6 by 12? क्योंकि आपने पूरे साल का इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिया, इट इज ओनली फॉर 6 months. In this case, what will be your interest on capital? It will be 8,000 debit, 8,000 credit. But इस प्रॉब्लम में आपको पूरे साल का इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दिया है. आपको कैसे पता पूरे साल का है? When does a financial year start? 1st April. And when does it end? 31st March. Which means it is for the whole year. Clear? So write down journal entries in the books of Shri Ganesh and Co. So we have date, particulars, LF, amount debited and amount credited. So first entry is 5th March 2017. Purchase furniture and tools. So what will be the journal entry? Furniture account debited, tools account debited to cash account. 20,000 debit, 5,000 tools. Total credit is 25,000. Write down the narration. Amount paid for purchase of assets. Next we have 10th March. Opened bank account in Dena Bank. So bank account debited to कैश अकाउंट. Whenever we open a bank account, हमेशा journal entry bank account debited to cash account ही होती है. 5000 debit, 5000 credit. Write down the narration. Amount deposited in Dena Bank. Next we have 12th March. Cash sent to bank. So again journal entry will be bank account debited to cash account. 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. Write down the narration. Amount deposited into bank. Next we have 16th March. Withdrawn from bank for personal use. So drawings account debited to bank account. 10,000 debit, 10,000 credit. Write down the narration. Amount withdrawn from bank for personal use. Next we have withdrawn from bank. Personal use जब आएगा तो it is drawings to bank, and when they have just given withdrawn from bank or withdrawn from bank for office use, the journal entry will be cash account debited to bank account. 40,000 debit, 40,000 credit. Write down the narration. Cash withdrawn from bank for office use. Next 22nd March. Purchase shares of Colgate Limited and brokerage paid. So when we purchase shares, it is investments account debited. We paid by check. So to bank account. 51,000 debit, 51,000 credit. So it is 50,000 plus 1,000. How did we get 1,000? It is nothing but 50,000 into 2 by 100, that is 1,000. Clear? Write down the narration. The purchase of shares in Colgate Limited for rupees 50,000 and brokerage paid at 2%. Next 24th March. Postage paid. So it is postage account debited to cash account. 100 debit, 100 credit. Write down the narration. Amount spent on postage. Next we have amount paid for repairs for proprietor's residential use. So it is drawings account debited to cash account. 4,000 debit, 4,000 credit. Write the narration. Amount paid for the repair of proprietor's residential house. Next 28th March. Paid electricity bill and miscellaneous expenses. So electricity expenses account debited. Miscellaneous expenses account debited to cash account. 1,800, 120, 1,920 is the total. Write down the narration. Payment made for electricity bill and miscellaneous expenses. Then 31st March. Salaries unpaid and rent due. So it will be salaries account debited to outstanding salaries account. कितना salary था? 15,000 debit, 15,000 credit. Write down the narration. Salaries due. Then again on 31st March we have उसी entry में we have rent due. So rent account debited to outstanding rent account. 3,000 debit, 3,000 credit. Write down the narration. Rent due to landlord. Last entry we have interest on capital. So interest on capital account debited to capital account. कितना था capital? 2 lakh into 8 by 100. 16,000 debit, 16,000 credit. Write down the narration. Interest provide on capital. So what is the total? 2,71,020, 2,71,020. Clear? Let's go on to next problem, that is illustration 27. Received a VPP from Ram for 20,000. Sent a peon to collect it who paid 150 at cartridge. So what do we mean by VPP? VPP is nothing but value payable post. So whoever is the seller will send the goods through post office. So buyer pays the value of goods to the post office and gets the delivery. So what will be the entry in this case? Received VPP, that is value payable post. So it is purchases account debited, cartage account debited to cash account. Next we have paid 3,000 for subscribing of newspapers and magazines. So this is miscellaneous expenses account debited to cash account. Next we have received 500 from sale of old newspapers. So it is cash account to miscellaneous income account. Then we have received 10,000 from sale of old chairs, table, etc. So cash account debited to furniture account. Why furniture? Because we are selling old chair, table, etc. Then we have paid interest on loan. So interest on loan is a expense. आपने लोन लिया था उसके लिए आपको इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ता है. So interest on loan account debited to cash account. Next we have withdrawn goods for personal use. Drawings account debited to purchase account. Goods stolen, cost price was 48,000. So चोरी हुई है. So it is loss by theft account debited to purchases account. Goods destroyed by fire. It is loss by fire account debited to purchases account. Then we have sold goods to X on credit. X account debited to sales account. X return 1/6 of the goods. So it is sales return account debited to X account. 1/6 means 6 lakh into 1/6, that is 1 lakh. Next we have X settle his account after deducting 10% discount for prompt payment. So आपने X को goods sell किए, he had to pay us money. So what we are getting? Cash account. Discount we are allowing. So it is discount allowed account debited to X account. So he had to give us 5 lakh rupees. उसमें से उसने 10% discount ले लिया. So cash received will be 4,50,000. Discount is 50,000 and X will be 5 lakh. Then we have salaries paid 80,000 and salaries due 20,000. So it is salaries account debited to cash account to outstanding salaries account. Then we have paid income tax by check. So income tax is a personal tax. So it is drawings account debited to bank account. So write down journal entries in the books of So the first entry, they have not given us date again, it's serial number. Received VPP. So VPP is nothing but जब purchases goods हमें post से मिलती है. So it is nothing but purchases of goods. So purchases account debited, cartage account debited to cash account. So it is 20,000 purchases, cartridge is 150, total is 20,150. Write down the narration. VPP received and cartage paid. Next we have paid 3,000 for subscribing newspapers and magazines. So ये क्या है? ये एक miscellaneous expense है. So miscellaneous expenses account debited to cash account. 3,000 debit, 3,000 credit. What is miscellaneous expenses? जो extra expenses होते हैं business में day to day routine में, that is miscellaneous expenses. Write down the narration. Amount paid for newspapers and magazines. Then we have received 500 from newspapers and magazines. So cash account debited. ये क्या है? ये income है business के लिए, पैसे आ रहे हैं. Miscellaneous income account. 500 debit, 500 credit. What is the narration? Amount received from sale of old newspapers and magazines. Then we have received 10,000 from sale of old chairs and tables. तो क्या मिला है आपको? कैश. So it is cash account debited to furniture account. 10,000 debit, 10,000 credit. Write down the narration. Amount received from sale of old chairs, tables, etc. Next we have interest on loan. So interest on loan account debited to cash account. 6,000 debit, 6,000 credit. Write down the narration. Payment of interest on loan. Next, withdrawn goods for personal use. So it is drawings account debited. हमने क्या withdraw किया है? Goods to purchases account. 8,000 debit, 8,000 credit. Write down the narration. Goods costing 8,000 taken by the proprietor for personal use. Next we have goods stolen. So loss by theft account debited to purchases account. 48,000 debit, 48,000 credit. What is the narration? Goods costing 48,000 stolen. Next we have goods destroyed by fire. So loss by fire account debited to purchases account. 1,60,000 debit, 1,60,000 credit. Write down the narration. Goods costing 1,60,000 destroyed by fire. Next we have sold goods on credit. So X account debited to sales account. 6 lakh debit, 6 lakh credit. Write down the narration. Goods sold to X on credit. Then we have sales return 1/6 of goods. So sales return account debited to X account. 6 lakh into 1/6. 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. Write down the narration. Goods returned by X. Next, X settled his account for 10% after giving discount. So what are we getting? Cash account debited, discount allowed account debited to X account. So पहला X को कितना देना था हमें? 6 लाख तो उसने लिया था, 1 लाख रिटर्न किया. So total sale was 5 lakh. He allowed a discount of 10%. उसने खुद ही ने assume कर लिया कि भाई मैं तो 10% डिस्काउंट लेके ही दूंगा. So 50,000 is the discount. कितना कैश मिला बिजनेस को? 4,50,000. Write down the narration. Amount received from X and discount allowed at 10%. Next, salaries paid and salaries due. So what will be debited? Salaries account. हमने पे कर लिया है कितना? 80,000 has been paid. So salaries account to cash account इसका journal entry है. But we have again outstanding salary. So what is the journal entry for outstanding salary? Salaries account to outstanding salary account. तो इसको हम compound entry कर देंगे. 80,000 we paid and 20,000 is due. Write down the narration. Salaries paid 80,000 and salaries due 20,000. Paid income tax by check. Income tax is always a personal expenses. So drawings account debited to check head bank account. 80,000 debit, 80,000 credit. Write down the narration. Income tax paid. So what is the total? 16,35,650. 16,35,650. Clear? After this, write down VPP, that is value payable post. Underline. Under this, write down, under this system, seller sends the goods through post office. Full stop. Buyer pays the value of goods to the post office and gets the delivery of goods from post office. Full stop. So we are done with this chapter. Tomorrow onwards we would be starting a new chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.